taking off color though. Hello, Emmy. Say hi.
Ow, my eyes. This sounds very funny.
It's my walk to find the demon bird. Last time we were here, this thing tried to eat us. A little spooky. It's crickets. On the quest to find the bird, to find the bird, to find the bird. On a quest to find the bird. Try and find the bird. What you doing? Putting on my sounds. Oh, volume. Emmy's camera. Emmy. Hello.
Finish.
Look, stars. Here's the Ashley. We take one step onto the bird's territory, you never know what might happen. If we don't make it out alive.
Oh my god.
I love you, Dad. Okay.
Actually, when I started that video, I only had 20 seconds.
Ha! You gotta erase some camera or some pictures. Oh, Mr. Birdie! Where are you? Where are you? Must have flown away.
Darn it.
At least for a little while.
That was Mary Poppins. I didn't know that.
Bird! There it is. Do you see it? It is the bird. We are walking into the bird's territory. There it goes. This thing just won't leave. It's charging. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Not you, the camera. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. It's the bird. This thing's a monitor, it'll try to eat you. Oh, it's getting defensive. You should start squawking soon. Shh. Shh. Birdie! Come here, Birdie! Come here, Birdie! Fly away, Birdie!
Where'd Birdie go?
He's right there. See him on top of the rocks?
Here's the Birdie.
Here he is. It's moving. It's moving. I'll be right back. We have to go around the gate.